Hello students, good evening. I am Sampath. So in this class we will discuss paper number 291. See the first one, directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 10 persons from K to T were born in 10 different months from January to October, but not necessarily in the same order. So here there are 10 persons are there. They are born in 10 different months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September and October. So there are totally 10 persons are there. See first one, January 31 days, February 28 or 29 days, and next March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30 days, and July 31, August 31, September 30 and October 31. See the first one, Q was born 2 months after M, who was born in the month having odd number of days. Okay, so Q was born after M. So here if M is placing August, Q was born here, first possibility, and M and Q here second possibility, and M, May and Q is here third possibility. And next, suppose if you take January and M is placing here, it is the fourth possibility. There are totally 4 possibilities are there. Again one more, that is, and M here and Q here. You see, we will try all this. See the next one, next point. 5 persons were born between M and P. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here P is placing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here P is placing, and next, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is no place to place P, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here P is placing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here P is coming. And next, 3 persons were born between P and T. So between P and T there are 3 persons are there, and T, and next, so 1, 2, 3. So no, there is no place to go upward and also downward. Idi kuda not follows. Next 1, 2, 3. Ikkada kuda manaki place లేదు T ని ఫిక్స్ చేసుకోవడానికి. ఓన్లీ we left with 2 possibilities. And next, see the next point, K was born just before S and just after O. So K was born just before S and just after O. Only one place we left, that is O, K and S. Again O, K and S. And next, number of persons who were born before L is 1 less than the number of persons who were born after R, who was not born before N. It means R was born after N. Suppose if N is placing here, R is placing here, and L is placing here. See, number of persons before L. So before L there is no one. Is 1 less than the number of persons born after R. After R here we have 1. Okay, condition satisfied. And so coming to the second possibility, there is no chance to place. Suppose if place N and R, O is placing here. So before R and after O there are so many persons are there. So this possibility is not correct. Only first possibility is follows. And let us move on to the questions. See the first question, question number 1. Who among the following person was born in July? So July, that is N, none of this. And next, how many persons were born between Q and T? So between Q and T there are 3 persons are there. R was born in which month of? So R was born in September. Question number 4, find odd one out. Option 1, L. So L January 31 days, O March 31, and T June 30, M August 31, and Q October 31. Odd one out is, that is T. T was born in 30 days. Which of the following combination is correct? L March not correct, and O April not correct, and M July not correct, and Q October is the correct one. Next, see the next one, coding and decoding. First of all, try to find code for each and every word and then answer the questions. See the first one, select the appropriate option, little delay select option, appropriate little option cure, and delay timing select and space. See, option, option and option, there are three OP option. So option is coded as C, that is TR. So TR, TR and TR. TR is the code for option. Next, second most repeated, that is select, select and select. So what is the code for select? So see, see AS and AS and also AS. AS is the code for select. And next, appropriate and appropriate. See, that is BN. BN is coded as appropriate. Appropriate. The remaining person the coded as PO. Okay, clear? And next, second one, little. So little and little. What is the code for little? Little lies in second and third, that is TQ. TQ is the code for little. And next, the remaining word, that is delay. Delay. So delay is coded as UT. UT. And next, see, coming to the third one, that is we left with cure. What is the code for Q? That is BY. And next, see, we left with two words, that is timing and space. These two words coded as either JH or LO. Okay, so JH or LO. These are the codings for each and every word. Coming to the questions. Questions చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. See the first one, question number 6. What is the code for the word the select? So see, the is PO and select is coded as AS, that is option 4. What is the code for cure, appropriate and delay? So cure is coded as BY and appropriate is coded as BN, and next delay is coded as U and T. So BY, BN and UT, option 2. What is the code for little timing? So little is coded as TQ, and timing. So timing coded as either JH or LO, so cannot be determined. Which of the following words are coded as TR and UT? TR is option, and next UT. So UT is delay. Option delay. So what is the answer? Option 1 is the answer. If timing open is coded as LO and CM, what will be the code as space and issue? So see, actually time is coded as according to given condition, either timing or space is coded as JH or LO. Here timing open is LO and CM, in the sense timing is coded as LO. Timing is coded as LO, and remaining space is coded as remaining word, that is JH, and space is JH. Then what is issue? Okay, issue అనే వర్డ్ మనకి యాక్చువల్లీ ఇచ్చిన కోడింగ్స్లో లేదు కాబట్టి టేక్ ద కోడ్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ లై ఇన్ ద గివెన్ కోడింగ్స్. సో సి జేహెచ్ అండ్ సిఎం అనే కోడ్ లేదు కదా మనకి ఇక్కడ, కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్. ఆప్షన్ 2 ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్, జేహెచ్ అండ్ సిఎం. నెక్స్ట్, inequalities. See the first one. Question number 11, h less than u. So u here, h here and u here, so h less than u definitely follows, u to h. So where h here and u here, h to u definitely follows. A greater than l. So before a and after a there are two or opposite symbols. So see, L here and also L here, starting from L. So see, L less than or equal to O, that is R, less than u equal to m less than a. Clear? Second one is definitely follows. So what is the answer here? Question number 11, that is both 1 and 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Option 3 is the answer. Next, t greater than p. So t here, so before t both are opposite signs. Okay, first one is not follows. Next, coming to the second one, b greater than or equal to j. So see j here, before j both are opposite symbols. This one is also not follow, but see ikkada and t, b and p, so both are not follows. Okay, neither conclusion 1 or 2 follows, rendu kuda follow kavu. And next, coming to the 13th one, see 13th one chudandi okasari, u greater than s. Okay, so u here and s here. So see here we have opposite symbol, so that's why first one conclusion does not follows. And coming to the second one, so see t greater than or equal to h. So t here and h here. So see instead of t we can write s also. Why? Because t equal to s. Instead of h we can write u also. Okay, so see first one is not follows, second one is not follows. First one is u less than s, second one is s less than or equal to u. So both are complementary pair, so either 1 or 2 follows. Either 1 or 2 is true. Coming to the 14th one, n less greater than t. So see n here and t here, so n less than or equal to d and greater than m and also less than t. Okay, so here there are two opposite signs, so first conclusion does not follows. M less than z, m greater than, so m less than z. So see m here and also and z here, see here also m, here both are different signs, so both are different signs, 2 is not follows. Neither conclusion 1 nor 2 rendu follow kavanamata. Next, 15 to 19 we have one more puzzle. See the one, see this puzzle. Study the following information carefully and answer the given below questions. 8 persons have different designations: general manager, deputy general manager, assistant general manager, manager, assistant manager, section officer, cashier and clerk in the company. The order of seniority is the same as given above, that is GM is the senior most designation and clerk is the junior most designation. So see first one GM and next DGM and AGM, next manager and next assistant manager, section officer, cashier and clerk, cashier and clerk. See the first one, at most 3 persons are senior to J. So at most 3 persons are senior to J, 1, 2, 3. So here 3 persons are senior, 2 persons are senior, 1 person is senior and none is seniors. At most in the sense that is the meaning. Next, there are 3 designations between J and Q. So 1, 2, 3. Here Q is placing and here Q and also here Q is placing and here Q is placing. And next, there is one designation between Q and W who is just senior to M. So one designation between Q and W. So Q and W 1 and next W, W and W, and also W who is just junior to M. So here M is placing. Next, there are 2 designations between M and N. So between M and N there are 2 designations. So between N and M there are 2 designations. So 1 and 2. Here M is placing and here no need to, we don't have any place to fix N. ఓకే, అబోవ్ కానీ బిలో కానీ ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఇది నాట్ ఫాలోస్, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇది కూడా నాట్ ఫాలోస్. సో 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ అవుట్ అయిపోయినాయి, ఓన్లీ వి లెఫ్ట్ విత్ 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ K ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టు A, P ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టు K. సో K ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టు A అండ్ P ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టు K బట్ జూనియర్ టు N. ఓకే, ఇది మనకు రావాల్సిన సీక్వెన్స్. సో see here we have N here, so 1 2 only 2 places left below N, so this is not correct. So see P and K and A, so it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. So let's move on to the questions like వెళ్దాం ఇక. See the first question, how many persons are senior to P? So there is one person is there. And next, which of the following designation Q have, that is cashier? Who among the following person manager of the company? Manager is, that is M. Which of the following combination is true? So K cashier not correct, P AGM not correct, J DGM not correct, and W SO is not correct, and A is the clerk. How many designations are there between K and N? So between K and N there are 4 designations are there. Next, how many such pair of letters are there in the word advertising? Advertising, how many words? So how many letters are there, each of which have many letters between English alphabet both forward and backward directions, starting from so see starting from A, so A B C D E F G H I. So see first one is A and I, first pair, and next coming to the second pair D A F G H I, so and D and I, it is the second pair. And coming to the third one, so next V W X E F G H I J K L R S T U V W X T U V W X and I J K L M. So see there is no words. And next coming to the backward, G H I, so G and I, so G and I one pair, J K L M N O P O P Q R S T U V W I J K L M N O. So only 3 pairs we are getting. Okay, remaining check చేసిన మనకి ఏం రావు, ఓన్లీ 3 pairs వస్తాయి కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్ 4 is the answer. Next syllogism. So see చూడండి ఫస్ట్ వన్, only a few tree is tree, only a few tree, only a few tree is T. Next, only timber is star, only timber is star means R star or timber, no timber is T, no timber is T, and only timber is star, only timber is star. See the first conclusion, some star can be T. So actually star is only related with timber, so first one is not follows. Some tree is not timber, so some part of tree is T and no T is timber, so second one is definitely follows, only option 2, only second conclusion follows. Next question number 22, see the first one statement, only a few shoe is trained. So only a few shoe, right, this part of shoe is only train. Some train is sails and no sail is travel. Okay, see the first one, all shoe can be travel, so shoe here and also travel here by using this conclusion. So see all shoe can be travel, so see ఒకవేళ మనం డ్రా చేసినా సరే all shoe can be travel definitely follow అవుతుంది. See only a few shoe is train, and next some train or sails and no sails is travel కదా, definitely first one is follow. And statements ఎక్కడ వైలేట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. some train is not travel, so some train is not travel, some part of train is sails and no cell is travel in the sense both 1 and 2 follows. Rendu kuda follow aithayi. Next question number 23. 43.56% 2 is 1, that is sum 2 is 1. Some part of 2 is 1. All 2 is twin. All 2 is twin. It is twin and it is 2. All 1 is twin. So in the it means, so see here 2. So it is 2, it is 1. So all 2 is twin, all 1 is twin. All 1 is twin. It means both 1 and 2 is twin. And next, no twin is n. Okay, it is the diagram. And next, see the conclusion. No 1 is n. So 1 here and n here. So all 1 is twin and no twin is n in the means conclusion 1 definitely follows. Sum 2 can be n. Sum 2 can be n. So 2 here and end here. So all 2 is twin, no twin is n in the means, so only 1 is follows. So 23 only 1 follows. Only 1 మాత్రమే follow అవుతుంది. Next 24. All bread is moonlight. All bread is moonlight. Next, some bread is egg. Some bread is egg. Only a few branches moonlight. So only a few branches. Only a few branches moonlight. This bread. Next, conclusions. Some branch is bread. So branch here and bread here. No definite relation between both. First one is not follows. Next, coming to the second one. Some egg is moonlight. So some egg is moonlight definitely follows. Okay. So option 2 is the answer. Next, no copy is ant. No copy is ant. Only, so a few ant is B in the sense some ant is B. Next, only copy is insect. So only copy is insect in the means all insects are copy. All insects are copy. So some copy is insects. Some copy is insects. Next, see the first conclusion. No insects is ant. So insect here and ant here. No definite relation between both. First one is does not follows. And next, some ant is insect. So ant here and also insect here. This is also not follows. So here no insect is ant. Some ant is insects. Okay. So see relation is no and some gavatti. Either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Okay, these two are complementary pairs. These two are complementary pairs, either 1 or 2 follows. Next, question number 26 to 30. Eight persons from A to H sit in a row facing towards north but not necessarily in the same order. So here total there are 8 persons are there. 7 and 8. And next, the distance between adjacent persons is 6 meters. So here adjacent persons in the sense for e 2 persons madhyana enta distance 6 meters and also 6 meters. Every 2 persons madhya enta distance undanta 6 meters undanta. Okay. Next, see the first one. Distance between C and A is 12 meters. In the sense between C and A there is one more person is there. And next, 3 persons sit between A and B. Distance between A and F is 6 meters. In the sense A and F both are immediate neighbors. H is 6 meters to the right of C. Okay, and H and C both are immediate neighbors. C ki right lo evaru untaru, H untadu. And next, D sits second to the right of H. So D is the second to the right of H. And also distance between C and B is equals to the distance between D and E. Okay, so it is the final conditions. So see, starting from A, distance between C and A is 12 meters. Suppose if A is placing here, A ikkada place cheste, Between A and C there are 12 meters. It is 6 meters and also it is 6 meters. Total 12 meters. And 3 persons sit between A and B. So between A and B there are 3 persons are there. And next, distance between A and F is 6 meters. So it means A and F both are immediate neighbors. H is 6 meters to the right of C. So it means H is immediate right of C. And next, D sits second to the right of H. So D sits second to the right of H, in the sense D is placing here. And next, distance between C and B is equals to the distance between D and E. So see, C and B there are 6 plus 6, total 12 meters, and also between D and E. So here 6 meters and here 6 meters. 6 plus 2, 6 plus 6, that is also 12. The remaining person G is placing here. Okay, it is the final output of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. First question chudandi okasari. Question number 26. Who sits immediate left of B? That is H. What is the distance between C and G? So see, C here and G here. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 వచ్చేసి 4 times, that is 24 meters. Who among the following persons sit third to the right of A? So third to the right of A, that is H. How many persons sit between E and F? Between E and F, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there, more than 4. Who among the following persons second to the left of the one who sits second to the right end? So second to the left and second fifth to the right, that is 5 plus 2, that is 7th from right. So among 8 persons, 7th from right annappudu 8 is second from left also. Okay, 7th from right and second from left, both are equal, that is F is the answer. Next, question number 31. If we form a 4-letter meaningful word, first, 4th, 5th, 6th letters from the left end of the word, that is marketing. From marketing, first letter is M, and next 4th letter is K, and 5th that is E, and next 6th వచ్చేసి T. So letters are M, K, E and T. M, K, E and T. By using these letters, how many meaningful words can be formed? So once you observe, there is no meaningful word formed by these letters. So no meaningful word. See, what is the answer? If no meaningful word formed, then mark answer X, that is option 4 is the answer. Next, question number 32 to 35. See the first one. There are 8 members in a 3-generation family. There are 2 married couples. L is only son of A, who is father of K. So L is only son of A and A is father of K. So A is father of K, and L is only son of A, in the sense K is the daughter of A. And next, S is son of P, who is daughter-in-law of M. So see, S is son of P and P, who is the daughter-in-law of M. It means P is female and this person married someone who is son of M. This person is male candidate. So ikkada manaki 3 generations vachtayi. Okay, D is unmarried sister-in-law of M. So D is unmarried sister-in-law. So M has a husband or wife and D is sister of this person. Okay, she is unmarried. Next, U is child of A. U is child of A, in the sense U is placing here. U is also female. Why? Because L is the only son of A. Okay, so it is the final output. So see, ikkada A and M. So A is the male candidate, M is the female candidate. Both A and M, both are husband and wife. And next, L, K and U. P is daughter-in-law. So P is daughter-in-law of M and A. It means P is married by L, these two are married couple, and next L is a male candidate. Next K and U both are children of A and M, and next S is the son of P and L, T is the sister of M. Okay, so it is the final arrangement. Let us move on to the questions. ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్స్ చూడండి. How U related to P? So U here and P here. Okay, so U is the sister of L, L is husband of P. In the sense U is the sister-in-law of P. How A related to S? So A here and S here. Obviously A is the grandfather of S. How many male members in the family? So see 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 persons are there. Which of the following pair are married couple? So A, M and P, L. So only here we have option 4, that is L and P. Next 36 to 40, last and final one it is. 8 persons from H to A. So see, so 8 persons from H to A live on different floors, an 8-story building such that floors are numbered consecutive multiples of 3 starting from 3 from bottommost floor. Consecutive multiples of 3 in the sense 3 ones 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3 fives are 15 and 18, that is 21 and 24. Why? Because it is 8-story building. Okay. So these are possibilities. We will get more number of possibilities. See the first one. 3 persons live between R and C who lives on an even numbered floor. So and also G lives just above B. G lives just above B. So G lives just above B. Between B and C there are 3 persons are there. Between B and C 3 persons, and also C lives even numbered floor. Next, difference between the floor numbers G and A is 15. Okay, it is the one condition. 2 persons live between D and E. So D and E there are 2 persons are there. Next, number of persons live below E is 1 less than the number of persons live above F. So below E equal to F plus 1. And who lives above H? So F lives above H. So see, what are the possibilities from the first point? 3 persons live between B and C who lives an even numbered floor. Suppose if C is placing so what is the condition? C is even numbered floor. Suppose C is placing here 1, 2 and 3. Here B is placing, and G is immediately above B. It is the first condition. Coming to the second possibility. So see, if C is placing here, C is even numbered floor 1, 2 and 3. Here B is placing, G is placing here. It is the second one. Coming to the third one, C and B and also G here. It is the third one. Next, what is the fourth one? 24 is completed, 18 is completed, and next 6 is completed. Next remaining, that is 12. So see, if C is placing here 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Here if we place B here, above G should be placed. Okay, there is no place to fix G. Only we left with 3 possibilities. Only మనకి ఇక్కడ 3 possibilities మాత్రమే ఉన్నాయి. And next ఏంటి చూడండి, G is just above B. Okay, difference between the floors number of G and A is 15. So in first possibility G is 21. So 21 minus 15, 21 minus 15, that is so 21 minus 15, that is 6. Here already we have C, కాబట్టి this possibility is not correct. ఇక్కడ A రావాలి, యాక్చువల్లీ మనకి ఇక్కడ C వచ్చింది. Coming to the second possibility, here G is placing 9th floor. G is placing 9th floor. 9 plus 15, that is 24. So in 24th floor who lives? That is A is living. It is the second possibility. And next coming to the third one, 15. So G lives in 15th floor, and also difference between A and G is, that is also 15. So 15 plus 15, that is 30. So there is no 30th floor, it is also not follows. Okay. So only we left with one possibility. So కేవలం మనకి ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ మాత్రమే ఉంది. And next, see the next one, 2 persons live between D and E. So between D and E there are 2 persons are there. And next, number of persons live below E is 1 less than the number of persons live above F. Suppose if E is placing here, F ఇక్కడ మనం ప్లేస్ చేస్తే F పైన ఒకరు ఉంటారు, E కింద ఎవరు ఉండరు. Okay, it is the only possibility we left. So and between D and E there are 2 persons are there. So between D and E 2 persons are there. The remaining person H is placing 50th floor. And next, see the questions. See the first one, question number 36. How many persons live between H and G? Between H and G, 1 person is there. What will be the sum of the floors A and E lives? A lives in 24th floor and E lives 3rd floor, that is 27. Sum of these two is 27. Which of the following floor does F lives? So F lives, that is 21st floor. Next, 39. Find odd one out. So A lives in top floor, and C 18th floor, and H lives in 15th, B 6th floor, and D 12th floor. So H lives in odd numbered floor. Next, which of the following pair of a person live on adjacent floors? So see, A and E not adjacent to each other, and H and C also so only H and C are the adjacent floors. Okay, ఇద్దరు కూడా immediate neighbors ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి it is the last question. So thanks for watching the video.